In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business Facebook page from your profile or Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through this step by step so you can set up a proper business presence on Facebook. Separate from your personal profile using Meta's built-in tools. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by searching for Meta Business Suite or going directly to the business.facebook.com address. Make sure you're logged in with the Facebook account that you want to use to manage your business page. This should be your personal profile that you already use on Facebook. But remember, people visiting your business page won't see your private profile details. They'll just see the page itself. Once Meta Business Suite loads, you'll land on the main home or dashboard area. From here, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the settings option. It's usually near the bottom of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you manage all the key parts of your business assets, like pages, ad accounts, and people who have access. Inside settings, you'll see a menu on the left with different sections. Find the section labeled Accounts. Under Accounts, there will be an option called Pages. Click on Pages. This is the area where all the Facebook pages connected to your business account will appear. If you've never created a page before, this list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, on the right side of the screen, look for a button that says Add. This is the button you use whenever you want to bring in an existing page or create a new one. Click on Add, and a small menu or pop-up will appear with several choices. From those options, select Create a New Facebook Page. This tells Meta that you want to start fresh with a brand new business page, rather than connecting one that already exists. Once you click that, Meta will guide you through naming your page, choosing a category that describes your business, and filling in basic details like a description. Take your time on those next screens, because your page name and category help people find you and understand what your business is about. When you're done, save your changes, and your new Facebook business page will be created and linked to your Meta Business Suite, ready for you to customize with a profile picture, cover image,